Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you a lot of flower based activities, a lot of spring activities. And yes, I was supposed to record it like a couple of weeks back, but somehow it just got missed. So I just thought like today is the right time to record it. Okay, so going forward, as you can see, the first activity just right here. So I had these very amazing stickers which I had picked up a couple of years back from Amazon, and they come in a very big bunch of I mean it's like a big packet of stickers. So this is like a big packet and you have a lot of colors, different shapes, sizes. So they come out as a very handy stuff for me, as the viewers who have already watching my videos and who have already been to my channel before. You guys would already be knowing that I use a lot of stickers, so I try and get a lot of good deals on stickers. So this is like basically completely on stickers and a lot of loose sheets from home, and ta-da, it's ready. Okay, so as you can see, I have like placed a lot of stickers here into different sizes, and there are different shapes here. Okay, so we have like 14 different shapes and sizes of flowers. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna present it to Vivan in a very different way. So I'm gonna put everything separately on a in a bowl, and then I have to tell him to tag each one of them separately. So he needs to make a pair and put them together. So like these little mother tulip and baby tulip are gonna go together. So I'm not gonna just give him this. I'm gonna put all of them together in one bowl, and then he needs to stack them like this. So this in terms of color and shape sorting. So I think it's a great way of sorting different shapes of flowers, different sizes. So he's gonna be like super exciting that he will be observing, because there are like a lot of colors where the petals look same but they're actually different. So I think it's gonna be a very fun, nice sorting activity for him. That was one. The second activity which is here is more and less. So the leftover stickers which I've used in my activities, I've used the same sticker on a sheet and I've sticked it here, and it says more or less. So what I've done, I have used a similar color to color the petals, and then he needs to guess which petals are more and which are less colored. So which one is more, he has to say this is more and this is less. So the same goes here. So like there are 3 here and 4 here, so this is more and this is less. So I think it's a great more and less activity, and at the same time I'm reusing it and upcycling the sticker that I have already used, and the peel off can be used in a separate way. So that was activity number 2. Activity number 3 is what comes next. So there are a lot of number based activities. Vivan like really love doing them, so I thought it's gonna be fun, just like one sheet or maybe 2 sheets a day in middle of a lot of other activities which we do. It's gonna be like really fun to do all this stuff. So what comes next is another flower, again a simple flower. I've used a different color, and I've written 1 here. He needs to tell me what comes next. Then there's 3, 4, then there's 5 here, and then what comes here next. So he needs to write with the help of a pen or a pencil. He needs to just write the number, and ta-da, it's already done. Okay, going forward, we are really in love with what comes before, after, in between. So we love doing it in our free time. So I thought this is going to be great. So this one is what comes before, and I've used a very bright fuchsia pink flower here. And there is 10, 13, and 16. He needs to see what's going to come here. With the help of a pen, he needs to scribble here, I mean write here. And then this is going to be done as well. Going forward, we have another activity here where he needs to go outside the house. He needs to cut the grass, and with the holes here he needs to stick one like the small teeny mini grass here. So this is a nice cutting and a pasting activity, and he needs to put 1 here, 2 here, 3. The circles are already there, so he needs to cut a really small piece of the grass which needs to fit inside the circle. Don't you think so? It's like super great. I think it's a very nice fine motor skill activity. At the same time, numbers, pasting, what else do you need? Okay, so there's another get sneaky numbers back activity. Again, like red bright flowers on a green sheet. Looks super bright and colorful to me, and it says what comes in between. So there are some numbers who have like sneaked out. We need to get them back in. So let's see who's gonna come here. he needs to write and fill in the places. Okay, so the one which I think is gonna love the most is the maze. And the maze is all about the butterfly meeting another butterfly. And you need to follow the number trail from 40 to 50 to make the butterfly meet. Okay, so he needs to start from here. So he needs to figure out where is 40 and then to follow the trail 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Ta-da, the butterfly is right here. So I think this trail is going to be like super nice. It's a super nice maze activity. Okay, so this is our outdoor activity, a color hunt. So I have just randomly taken all my sketch pens and I've like scribbled it on the paper, and we're gonna go outside in the evening when we're cycling, or we'll go for a little treasure hunt. So whatever he will find of the same color, he needs to find and he needs to put it here or paste it. So I think this is like super, super, super colorful, nice. You can do it in the park as well. You can do it at home. I think it's a super great activity. I've done it like a lot of times, but because the surrounding is new, I want to get it out again. And it's always new. It's always great to do it in a new surroundings. And let's see how it goes. I'm gonna share it with you on my. I'm gonna share the after activity pictures on my Facebook, and I think it's gonna be great. Okay, there are a few more, guys. So there's another activity here with the numbers. Again, he needs to like write what comes before, what comes after, what comes before here, what comes like in between 6 and 8. So it's like a jumble up thing, and it just says fill in the missing numbers. So this one, and the last two activities are for the language, for English language. So we are doing the two-letter words, and what I've done, I have just used these again the flower petals here, the flowers, and I have written the words inside. So like in, and, ag, at. So with every petal he needs to write an alphabet, and this says add an alpha to the petal to make a real word. And with a little disclaimer here, no funny words. So Vivan tries and make a lot of funny words a lot of times, but that's why I have put the disclaimer here, so that he reads it and he knows that we need to make a real word and not a funny word. So I think it's gonna be nice. And if the space is a little here for him to write, then I'm gonna keep it open. He can write it here, but yes, just like outside the petal. That's it. So this is fun too. And our last activity is, do you know the alpha song? Sing and join them in order. So what I've done is I have randomly put the stickers on the sheet, and I've written like from A to U, I guess. And Vivan needs to find all of them, and he needs to connect them in alphabetical order. So he needs to like find A, then connect it to B, then connect to C, then to D, then to E, and then to F. So like this. So that's it, guys. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, please press the like button. And in case you have still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.